been no one stress. But if me see the text, I feel wake up and make it cause I know my best. So yes, indeed, after best, cause the breeze is so fresh. You don't wanna be caught up in the mess. Something sweet, something sweet, sweet, something sweet, something sweet, something sweet. I feel have my own. I feel buy my own a car, own a house. Stop me please, something please, stop me please. Wait a key, no bet nobody, stop it fun. Ask for this, do it. I would made for witness, not only for dreaming. Pushing to the target, so I have no limits. Nobody can stop this. I am a success, I am a success. Something sweet, not the honey from the beat, but it's to live your life and tell it that something sweet, something sweet, not the sugar from the candy bar. To force yourself to push us up to the stars. Sweet, something sweet, sweet, something sweet, sweet, but deep down it's me. Something 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 sweet.
Hey, trust me, Tyresha is really excited. Hey, something sweet, not from the candy, sugar, whatever she has said, but trust me. Hey, Nero, we're going straight to the judges right now. What do you have to say about this Linstead young miss?
All right, here we go on now. We're going to need a moment of silence for this. Zin, most of us will sing songs, and most of us will write songs. But it's where you want your song to be at the end of the day, because you can't say the music and the Jamaica only. You see that sweet, 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 that's very, very catchy, toxic. That is a hook. That is a hook.
You catch the whole of the crowd a while
Now,
ago.
when you sing for me, you know what I grasp from what you're saying? It's like a motivational song for yourself, right? That's what I get from it. So the mere fact that you sing it, I can understand exactly what you're coming from, right? And what you're projecting to the audience. That is a plus. The only problem I have, one. You see that shy something there? With them powerful song there, you have to go fix that up. But you see eye contact, eye contact is very important in work, in fighting, even in defending yourself. Eye contact with the crowd. You have to look upon the crowd, make them feel what you feel. But that song there, whosoever responsible for your career, them need to record that song there ASAP. Right no now. Joke. No joke. Am I lying? Like
yeah.
And the rhythm of choice, the beat, I'm done.
Hey, she bring it in now. She excited. Hey, big up herself. She have a beautiful voice. You know what I mean? And she deliver. But trust me, Nero, that shyness there, she will get over that soon. You know what I mean? Big up herself.
I would just recommend her to project her voice. Don't sing from here, you will hurt it. If you sing from here, you will hurt it. Just like when time somebody take up your phone and use your credit and you say, I want to come on. Yeah. Project your voice.
All right, General, what do you think about this beautiful female right here on the 100% talent stage?
Yeah,
what do you think?
Yeah. Little Empress, yeah. Can hear the talent in your vocal, you know? Can hear say you have the vocal talent lock. You see me I deal with, but a music you do, and a music you enjoy doing. So you don't really need to be shy, you know what I mean? Because you are do your thing, you know, you love doing this, you know. You see me I deal with. So more time we have to just bring out the bathroom singing in front of people. Because when time we in a bathroom a problem, you know. You know. So you see me I deal, you have to just project and express yourself and don't be shy, man. I saw it going there. Everybody does take stages in a life, you know. You see me I deal with
straight up.
You know we are going to see in the competition furthermore. And we are look forward. But you see that hook there? As when Nero tell you see that sweet something
Catch
there.
it.
You see that sweet something there? I hope nobody not try go on like them want steal all the girls' style. You know? We have make sure said copyright for 100%.
Make sure the copyrighted. Listen.
Talent, Jamaica, right?
Serious.
So. You see anywhere I'm going to hear nobody with it, I go and attack them. Say a word.
Rolly. All right, so you're in front of myself, Nero as judge and our general as judge, so you don't know.
Give me a word, please.
Sweet, sweet. All right, Dash.
I was told that she just wrote that song outside.
She just wrote it. Is that true?
Yes.
Just
No.
know.
No.
She really talented. What them say? What them really say a while ago? Them say she just wrote the song outside of the talent show.
Money
And,
pull up.
hey, trust me.
What you just said?
Trust me.
You just write that song there. Sweet, sweet.
All right, she just wrote it.
Woo.
Sweet it.
Give me a rhythm there. Give me the rhythm.
Turn
Yo.
up the rhythm. Turn up the
No,
rhythm.
sir.
Forget the judge them stand up is a jar, you know? You know that, right?
Yeah, man, that body pull up and all these things. All the way from out of said, watch ya. How
That's
much
yours.
money dash?
That's yours.
Wait.
All right,
That's
how
yours.
much money dash?
That's yours.
All of them, they are your own. From Tash.
That's yours. That's yours.
This is the 100% talent show. This is what we're talking about. She get money pull up just for her talent. So we're really excited for this show that's going on right now to show the artist and career to another level. This is what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Persons hearing your music, gravitating to your voice, gravitating to whatever you're doing, whatever song you're singing. Trust me. Tyresha all the way from Linstead. All of these money are your own, under 100%. Yes, Nero.
And hold on there. I am a very hard person to please when it comes to music. I'm a feel a song there. So if your song did this just now, imagine if you did it on an arena. Take my advice.
Trust me.
Take music serious like life. Don't follow the crowd here. Be yourself.
All right, she's so excited. All right, pick up your cash. You can pick up your cash. She's all the way from Linstead. And trust me, that little sweet something there, Kisha Las Vegas, it have a hook. It have a going. Hey, it is so excited. And here what catch you now, our general. When she said she just write the song outside on one of them phone right there. So she really talented. So we need them something here for highlight. All right, so you don't know it go. Pick up yourself. Tyresha.